Pest flies on poultry facilities can be a nuisance to producers and their neighbors, and some can also transmit pathogens that may cause human and animal diseases. So what is the best method to control flies? Hi, I'm Erica Machtinger, Assistant Professor of Veterinary Entomology at Penn State. You can use Integrated Pest Management, or IPM, to control pests in an effective and environmentally safe way. Using IPM involves a combination of common sense practices to break the pest's life cycle. For example, making habitat unsuitable for laying eggs or setting traps to capture adult flies. Different fly species have different habits and life cycles. So in order to use IPM practices effectively, you need to know the life cycles of the flies that are present at your facility. There are 4 major fly pests on poultry facilities, primarily in layer houses: houseflies, little or lesser houseflies, black dump or garbage flies, and blowflies. These major fly pests all have complete metamorphosis. This means they have 4 distinct life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. To start this cycle, an adult female lays her eggs on decomposing organic substance like manure or carrion. Eggs are small and difficult to find, but with warm temperatures, eggs can hatch in less than 24 hours. Eggs hatch into worm-like larvae, commonly called maggots. Larvae of houseflies, black dump flies, and blowflies are similar in appearance. They are all off-white or cream in color. Lesser housefly larvae are a little different. They are grayish-brown with protruding hairs and may be difficult to see as they are the same color as poultry waste. Over the course of a few days to weeks, the larva grows bigger, molting twice to form 3 distinct larval stages called instars. Once the larva has consumed enough nutrition and environmental conditions are suitable, it will molt into a pupa. The adult fly develops within the pupa and emerges when development is complete. Pupae of houseflies, dump flies, and blowflies are similar in appearance, resembling small reddish-brown rodent pellets. First, second, and third instar lesser houseflies, as seen here, get slightly darker throughout development. Lesser housefly pupae look similar to the larval form but are a darker grayish-brown. You may find pupae between pit rows, along walls, or in areas with sand or other debris, but you may not necessarily find pupae where you find developing larvae. After the appropriate time, an adult will complete development and emerge from the pupa, as seen here, ready to start the process over. This chart shows the development time in days for each fly species. Total development time from egg to adult depends on food availability, moisture, and heat. In general, it takes approximately 10 days for houseflies and blowflies, 2 weeks for black dump flies, and nearly 3 weeks for lesser houseflies. Now that you understand the fly life cycle, you can identify IPM control measures that target different stages of the life cycle. Using these control measures to reduce fly pest numbers can make your facility safer and more comfortable for you and your birds.